Imagine a single tree falling in a forest. It's more than just lost habitat. That event can start a domino effect. The threats facing our planet's ecosystems, habitat destruction, climate change, pollution, aren't separate problems. They are a tangled web, each thread pulling on the others, compounding the damage. When a forest is fragmented by roads and farms, the isolated animal populations that remain become far more vulnerable to the next threat, like a sudden heat wave driven by a warming climate. That same changing climate can roll out the red carpet for an invasive species, one that native plants and animals have no defense against, allowing it to spread rapidly. Meanwhile, pollution from our cities and farms doesn't just disappear. A toxic chemical can enter a stream, get absorbed by algae, eaten by a small fish, then a larger one, and finally end up in a top predator, like an eagle or a bear. This is called biomagnification, a poison concentrating its power as it moves up the food chain, a quiet catastrophe unfolding in countless ecosystems. These forces don't just add up, they multiply each other's destructive power. So, if the crisis is interconnected, the solution must be as well. This is the core idea of sustainability. It's not just about recycling or using less plastic. It's about understanding that our well-being is completely tied to the health of these natural systems. It's about meeting our needs today without compromising the ability of future generations to meet theirs, by managing our resources in a way that preserves the intricate web of life. Ultimately, sustainability is about making a conscious choice to stop pulling at the threads that hold these ecosystems together, and instead learn how to weave them back together into a stronger, more resilient world for everyone.